Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you are new here. This week's video is in collaboration with At Home with the Acunas. They are an adorable little family and she puts out amazing videos, and I hope that you'll go and check out her channel. You can find the link to her channel in my description box below. So this is a late night power cleaning. We had just got home from trick-or-treating and everybody is sound asleep in bed. So this is when mom has the chance to hurry up and get everything finished before the next day. As you can probably hear, I am fighting a cold, so this is all I'm going to be saying throughout the video. Please hit the thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoy.
Do you know what love means? This is insane. You're saying things I can't explain. I know where your heart is, where you wanna be. So why do you keep testing me? It just isn't worth my time to try to make you believe me when you don't believe me. You win. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. Hey. I'm taking my toothbrush. How does that feel? Tell me how this can't be real. You're talking in riddles. Just let it go and trust me if you love me so. It just isn't worth my time to try to make you believe me when you don't believe me. This is where I draw the line and pretend that I'm leaving. you in. Yeah. I've got 30 minutes if you wanna spill your mind. Give me all your reasons to why I should take my time. Used to have forever, but you never cared that much. Just tell me why I should give you more than a goodbye, baby. Why you won't tell me why you won't. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Do it again and we won't end up as friends. Do it again, do it again, do it again. I trusted you once, but I won't do that again. I've got 30 seconds if you wanna pick your price. Don't ask for forgiveness, 'cause you know I'm not that type. You know you had me good, but now I can't look into your eyes. Oh baby, just tell me why I should give you more than a goodbye, baby. Why you won't tell me why you won't. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Do it again and we won't end up as friends. Do it again, do it again, do it again. I trusted you once, but I won't do that again. Again, 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 babe. Again, babe. I won't do that again. Again, 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 babe. Again, babe. Oh baby, don't know what you started. You just lost a friend, left me broken hearted, so you could have a taste. The grass ain't really greener, and now you've seen it for yourself. And you would do it again, do it again, do it again. Do it again and we won't end up as friends. Do it again, do it again, do it again. I trusted you once, but I won't do that again. Again, 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 babe. Again, babe. I won't do that again. Again, 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 babe. Again, babe. I've been around, you've stayed away. Oh, I won't let it show. You got a hold on me. I remember the sound of us being loud. So loud, so loud. Wonder where you're walking and talking, thinking, are you the same? Wonder how you're doing and moving through the crowds every day. And all I wanna know, are you thinking about me? I just gotta know. I just gotta know. So it still hurts. Oh, you're moving on, I know by your tone, while I'm moving backwards. Just wonder where you're walking and talking, thinking, are you the same? Wonder how you're doing and moving through the crowds every day. And all I wanna know, are you thinking about me? I just gotta know, I just gotta know. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. So numb, doing all I can to move, but I can't. Oh no, I gotta let you go. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. I wish I could get you out of my head. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. I wish I could get you out of my head. I wish I could get you out of my head. I've been around, you've stayed away. Oh, I won't let it show. You gotta hold on